Live altcoin price watch. Aster and Zcash rally amid Bitcoin breakdown below $90,000. Is this just the beginning? Aster, Bitcoin, Cash. Add disclosure. Add disclosure. We believe in full transparency with our readers. Some of our content includes affiliate links, and we may earn a commission through these partnerships. However, this potential compensation never influences our analysis, opinions, or reviews. Our editorial content is created independently of our marketing partnerships, and our ratings are based solely on our established evaluation criteria. Read more. Live altcoin price updates. Aster and Zcash defy broader sell-off as Bitcoin crashes below $90,000, triggering extreme fear across crypto markets. Add disclosure. Add disclosure. We believe in full transparency with our readers. Some of our content includes affiliate links, and we may earn a commission through these partnerships. However, this potential compensation never influences our analysis, opinions, or reviews. Our editorial content is created independently of our marketing partnerships, and our ratings are based solely on our established evaluation criteria. Read more. Crypto journalist. Hassan. Crypto journalist. Hassan. About author. Anas is a crypto-native journalist and SEO writer with over 5 years of writing experience covering blockchain, crypto, DeFi, and emerging tech. Author profile. Share. Copied. Add disclosure. Add disclosure. We believe in full transparency with our readers. Some of our content includes affiliate links, and we may earn a commission through these partnerships. However, this potential compensation never influences our analysis, opinions, or reviews. Our editorial content is created independently of our marketing partnerships, and our ratings are based solely on our established evaluation criteria. Read more. Last updated 2 hours ago. Disclaimer: crypto is a high-risk asset class. This article is provided for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. You could lose all of your capital. Altcoin markets are navigating extreme turbulence today as Bitcoin plunged below $90,000 for the first time since February, triggering over $1 billion in liquidations and pushing sentiment into extreme fear territory. The sharp breakdown erased all of Bitcoin's 2025 gains and sent shockwaves through the broader crypto ecosystem, with most major tokens posting mid-single-digit losses. Yet amid the carnage, Aster and Zcash have emerged as rare bright spots, demonstrating relative strength that's drawing trader attention. Aster is trading around $1.38, maintaining stability above the key $1.20 support level with nearly $1 billion in 24-hour volume, while Zcash holds near $580 after a remarkable 124% monthly rally driven by privacy narrative momentum and institutional accumulation. The broader market structure remains fragile as Bitcoin's failure to hold $90,000 reignites fears of deeper retracements toward $85,000 and $80,000. A technical death cross formed on Bitcoin's daily chart as the 50-day moving average crossed below the 200-day average, historically a bearish indicator that often precedes extended downtrends. ETF outflows have compounded selling pressure, with nearly $1 billion withdrawn from spot Bitcoin funds in recent sessions amid waning institutional conviction amid inflation concerns and uncertainty around Federal Reserve rate policy. Major altcoins, including Ethereum, XRP, Solana, and BNB, have all declined between 3% and 6% over the past 24 hours. Market update. Bitcoin breakdown triggers altcoin volatility. First Prev, one of two next last honest Hassan 3 hours ago. Fundstrat's Tom Lee calls Ethereum bottom this week amid 38% correction. Tom Lee, co-founder of Fundstrat Global Advisors, declared on CNBC that Ethereum probably is bottoming this week, as ETH traded around $3,050 following a sharp 38% correction. Lee pointed to two key metrics supporting his call: the ETH/BTC ratio sitting at 0.032, far below its historical average, and Ethereum's total value locked, TVL, approaching a 50% historical bottom ratio, indicating oversold conditions rather than fundamental weakness. He framed the dip as a buying opportunity ahead of what he believes could be an Ethereum supercycle driven by real-world adoption, including stablecoins, tokenized assets, and institutional flows. The prediction aligns with analyst Merligen the trader's observation that Ethereum's current 38% drawdown mirrors the exact 2020 correction that preceded its historic breakout rally, suggesting breakout start when doubt is highest. Honest Hassan 3 hours ago Anoma deploys resource machine on Ethereum as analyst eyes post-correction breakout. Anoma has launched its resource machine on Ethereum mainnet, introducing native intent-based transactions and zero-knowledge privacy features directly to the network. The protocol adapter enables Ethereum applications to process intents and maintain programmable privacy without bridging off-chain, with settlement supported across Ethereum and its Layer 2 ecosystem. The deployment has coincided with a 40% surge in Anoma's native token XAN, while analyst Merligen the trader notes that Ethereum itself has just completed a 38% correction, mirroring the exact pullback seen in 2020 before ETH's historic breakout rally. Merligen suggests the pattern could signal an inflection point, stating breakout start when doubt is highest, as infrastructure developments like Anoma's resource machine continue building on Ethereum despite recent price weakness. Honest Hassan 3 hours ago analyst Ali Martinez highlights Zcash range pattern as ZEC tests critical resistance. Zcash, ZEC, is trading at $600.76, up 3.75%. As market analyst Ali Martinez draws attention to the altcoin's range trading behavior with a cryptic post stating, "Imagine the smell, $ZEC." Martinez's chart reveals ZEC's methodical progression through ascending trading ranges since October, with the current focus on a critical $640 to $715 resistance zone that recently broke but is now being retested from above. The key question facing traders is whether ZEC's current positioning represents a healthy retest of former resistance as new support, or a failed breakout signaling a return to lower ranges. A decisive hold above $600 could fuel continuation towards $700 to $800, while a break below $580 would suggest rejection and potential retracement to support near $460 to $480. Honest Hassan 4 hours ago analyst highlights key liquidity zone for Ethereum as relief rally builds. Market analyst Ted Pillows says Ethereum ETH is showing signs of stabilization, pointing to a liquidity cluster between $3,400 and $3,600 as the next key area to watch. According to Pillows, this zone could act as a magnet for price action and potentially fuel a short-term rally. ETH has spent several weeks trending lower, but recent price action suggests a possible shift in momentum. Pillows notes that a relief rally may have already started, as traders look for confirmation that the market has found a local floor. All eyes are now on whether ETH can reclaim the identified liquidity band and build enough strength for a broader recovery. Honest Hassan 4 hours ago Zcash faces pressure as large short position emerges. Zcash, ZEC, is drawing renewed market attention after a major trader opened a $22.3 million short position. According to on-chain data from Arkham, the trader began shorting ZEC as it retested prices in the mid-$700 range and is currently up an estimated $3.6 million. The move comes as Gemini co-founder Cameron Winklevoss reiterated his long-standing view on asset fundamentals, stating, 1 BTC equals 1 BTC. 1 ZEC equals 1 ZEC. His comment follows heightened volatility in ZEC and rising debate over whether the privacy coin has reached a local top. With derivatives positioning now skewed heavily to the downside, analysts are watching whether the short seller timed a significant trend reversal, or if ZEC's volatility could force a sharp rebound that threatens the trade with liquidation. First Prev 1 of 2 next last. Follow us on Google News. Trending News. Recommended popular crypto topics. Price predictions. Live Fed Payments Innovation Conference. Real-time updates as Federal Reserve discusses crypto, stablecoins, and AI with industry leaders. Crypto market prospect. After the washout, the soil looks richer. Bitcoin price falls as analysts point to hidden losses by a big player. New ChatGPT predicts the price of XRP, Solana. Binance Coin by the end of 2025. China's Alibaba AI predicts the price of XRP, Bitcoin, Ethereum by the end of 2025. Bitcoin News. World's smartest man forecasts Bitcoin to reach $220,000 in the next 45 days. 1 day ago, by Honest Hassan. Price analysis. Bitcoin price prediction. Is the bearish ABCD pattern pointing to a drop below $83,800? 17 hours ago, by Arslan But. Price analysis. XRP price prediction. ETF hype dies fast as sellers crush XRP. What happens if $2.22 support fails? 22 hours ago, by Alejandro Arich. Best crypto to buy now in November 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 4 hours ago, by Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in today. Top new crypto coins. 18 hours ago, by Inesis Tavares. Best crypto presales to invest in November 2025. 1 day ago, by Alan Draper. 13 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in November 2025. 11 hours ago, by Elijah Rankovich. 12 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 6 hours ago, by Elijah Rankovich. The next crypto to explode in 2025. Our top picks. 5 hours ago, by Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. 1 day ago, by Leon Waters. XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 29, 2025, by Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. November 4, 2025, by Ben Beto.